Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yardman and More. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a 2020 Kia Sportage Sport Model S, and it's super easy, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to go inside your vehicle, and first thing you're going to do is pull the hood latch towards you till you hear it pop. Then you come over here, and then right here under the center part of the hood you'll feel a latch just press up, and then inside the engine bay here you'll see a hood rod. Go ahead and pick that up and put it into that hole right there, and then you're in the engine bay now. And over here, this is it says pull out to open air filter. So go ahead and pull that latch back. Here is your air filter. Take note of how it goes in, which side is on the top and which side is on the bottom. Go ahead and pull that air filter out, and you can see it's very dirty, and it's time for me to change it out. And I've got a brand new one over here that I purchased off of Amazon. It was $11 or $12. And at the auto parts store they wanted $20 to $30 for this, and this is a good premium air filter. So you want to go ahead and put it in this side up, and you're going to push it straight down like so. It's actually, there's something stuck there, so I'm gonna have to pull it back out. We'll go ahead and turn it around. There we go. There's an R right here, and it tells you to flip it down, and there's a left here for the left side. Flip that one down, and that locks or releases it, and then you go ahead and push your air filter cover back on. You'll hear it snap, and that's all there is to it. You have a brand new air filter installed. Save yourself some money. Don't take it into the shop. You can do this yourself in about 3 minutes. So if you got something out of this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel as it helps me out, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.